having any. You gotta wait for it. Everybody wanna be in the shot. About to go pray. Go to. Your body, hey, so you kind of, these workouts are not kind of when you get up. What do you have in my lungs?
For a six-pack? There's no way. Our job.
I'll do the light test and I'll do
the light? Okay. So it is really beat up and out of shape, but sometimes you want to feel them as well.
You guys see?
It's good to go.
Alright, we're finally done shopping.
We just finished. Stocked up on some bangs. We stocked up on some Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts caramel iced coffee. Basically, it's like it's not a gallon. It's like a liter of
You sure do love your coffee.
I do from Dunkin'. Because there's no Dunkin' on the road. We do got QTs. I can't wait till we hit a QT and we get our favorite. What is that? Passion fruit.
And I think we updated to passion fruit.
We're gonna get passion fruit and we're gonna get that iced coffee. I'm getting both. I'm not missing out. Like it's gonna be a good time, good trip. Where are we going? We're going back to the terminal to.
We're gonna go back to the terminal. I left my my clothes in the dryer. Yeah, so we're gonna go back to the terminal. I'm gonna grab my laundry. We're gonna eat and possibly take a nap, and then we're gonna start moving to go get the load.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna show you a part of our job.
Use the hammer. Check the tires. Check the mud flaps. I'll do the light test and I'll do the.
You're gonna plug in the lights? Or you want me to plug in the lights?
Find the other glove. No, it wouldn't. I'm not doing that. Until the other glove is just found.
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
The light? Okay. If you guys can hear me, we're doing the light test. As you can see, the lights are working at the bottom. The lights up top are working. We can't check for any leaks. We look at everything over here. Right now, Mr. Voyage is connecting the electrical light, the emergency, and the service lines. And right now I'm about to do the inspection. As you can see, the lights should be flashing. We have 2 mud flaps here. Let me go grab the you got the light? I'm gonna use it to check the, show them the skin film lock. Right now, I'll show you guys that we are, you gotta be careful because it's always wet here. as you guys can see, the tractor and the trailer, it's latched, so we're good to go here. The lights are flashing. I'm gonna check. The light here is working. Make sure there's no damages to the trailer. Make sure everything is good. Then you're gonna come here, you're gonna check the lines. Make sure the brake lines are not damaged in any way. They're not damaged. Just gonna make sure everything is good. Then we're gonna test out the tires, make sure they're not flat, not damaged, that they look good and safe to drive in. Make sure that the threads and everything is good. Make sure we have our mud flaps. We have that one on that side, we have that one on that side. It is a 2008. As you can see, it says 08, so that'll tell you the year of the trailer. It is really beat up and out of shape, but you know, this is not a huge, this is the most important. Make sure that, you know, everything is good. Make sure the lug nuts are all here, there's no leakage. Make sure everything is good. Sometimes you want to feel them as well. Make sure that they're not loose. I like to do that just as extra, you know. Lights are working. Lights up top are good. The hinges are good. We've came across some hinges that were damaged, so they look good. You got your DOT tape, which is this right here. The white and red is all good. This looks good. This looks good. Just a little rusty, but you know. Mud flaps, okay, DOT tape, everything looks good, no damages, so you can see. DOT tape all across. Make sure it's good. Make sure the tires good, okay. Everything seems good. Here's the, no damage on the outside, no holes, no, you know. Okay, everything looks good. Let me bring up the, let's grab this before I forget it. It is like really bad here, this area. I was gonna open it, but I didn't want to risk opening it yet. I was like, let me bring up the license gear.
Very old trailer. License plates are good.
Yeah, license plates good.
Flaps are good.
The tendons are all the way back, so we're gonna have to readjust those.
In this case, you wanna do feral creature.
Yeah.
The trailers are old.
Here, this is the.
I don't even, you can hold on to that. Okay. Wires are good. We're checking.
The fifth wheel, so we're about to readjust the fifth wheel.
Fix the trailer tendons, right?
Alright, I'll be on your side. I'm coming around. Here, take the rubber mallet. You want me to let you know when it hits the middle?
Yeah. Not bad. You actually want it to be here because.
Yeah, because this line's usually in the middle, so we usually dictate where to stop it. But on this old trailer,
I do have it. No,
farther back.
This one you want to be looking at. See, it's 40,000. This is where you want it. Middle of the axis.
Okay. So I just learned something. So everything is good. It is a bit rusty, but we can work with it. It's not damaged. Just some rust on it, but make sure I didn't check these. Just double check a few of them just to be on the safe side, and make sure that this is good right here. All right, so the landing gear is up. We're good here. Now we head back into the truck, and we're pretty much good to go.
So we have a bit of a problem as we go on our way out. Security tells us to open the back doors, and they look inside the trailer, and they're saying that they're gonna have to send us back because they forgot to put the airbags between the pallets. Now we have to come back, open the doors, get into the docks, and have them fix the problem. Guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Another day, another dollar. So sometimes you think you're gonna have a smooth day, and it turns out to be false. And sometimes you think you're gonna have a hard day, and it turns out to be the smoothest day. So you don't know what you're gonna expect. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna come to the dock, and I go one space above it, and then start turning. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and then back to 9 o'clock. Also, I want to leave some space between the guardrail and my tractor. Throw this out. I don't know if you can see, but I'll have to get it to 281, so that's between those two trailer jacks. Hi, I just backed into dock 281 for the.
I'll let him know.
Okay.
There's someone gonna let. You got somebody on it.
Okay. So when it turns green, I could just move, or is it?
You can just wait in here, and we can say, "Hey, dude."
Okay, cool. I wish I brought my wallet. Get some coffee.
You're good to go.
Good, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Right.
I will. Appreciate it. But unfortunately, a lot of shippers are not like this. You know, they're messy, they're inefficient, they don't want to deal with you, they don't want to give you the time of day and let you know where you're going, where you're heading. But these guys were, in my books, A1. Isn't that right, Jersey?
Yes.
Did that take too long? Not exactly. And, holidays here. this so I can close the doors, because if I move up, I won't be able to close the doors. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, next time don't drive up out with your doors open, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. I just thought it was easier that way.
Oh, dude. What's your trailer number?
What's my trailer number? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm closing the doors.
How might you,
It should say it's on the side of the door. Had a hard time fixing this. I'm gonna have a hard time taking it off. Alright. 082644.
okay, give me 1 second. Gotta leave your doors open.
Leave them open? Alright.
Which one's the? Oh, these.
Yeah.
Those are called what? Load bags?
Airbags. They just made one.
Good morning, guys.
Come in.
Would that be a custom mark or would it be already done?
Do you guys have your inbound sheet?
There was a seal in there and they took it out, so.
He did?
The guy with the beard. No, it's another guy.
Yeah, he's got he's got all the phone numbers from the bar.
Here, hold on.
Smell like cake in here. Oh.
Oh, I got you. From here. So what I need from you is 1 through 4. I need your carrier on 1, sign your name on 2, print your name on 3, and then your driver's license number and the state it was issued on 4. It's right up here too. There are your bills. I will come out with you to check your trailer and have you guys seal it up.
Okay. How about you head in and I'll do the reverse loading.
Just in the future.
Move up all the way?
All the way.
Yeah, I just figured because the doors is open, I wouldn't have been able to open them.
You're okay. And also, that is another thing. If you come back here, make sure your doors are closed so you can lock it.
Okay, I got you, boss.
That's sealable.
I had it right the first time, but then I had to go back.
You're all right. I've heard your day has been something, so
Yeah.
you're all right.
This trailer is so old. Just hope it gets...
Older in it, man.
It's rusty. All good. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay.
You're good to go?
All right, thank you. All righty. Let's get moving. Oh. So, we're finally at the storm. Weather is beautiful today. We just stopped at this QT to grab some fuel, maybe some snacks, just maybe some lunch, and get back on the road. How you feeling? You ready to drive?
Yeah, I'm so ready to drive.
We might have to take a nap because,
Yeah, we're definitely gonna take a nap.
you know, our nap.
We need to recharge, regen. So come with us to QT, and hope you enjoy.
It's mad nice out here now. Not even cold anymore.
Oh, what is that? That red thing. What kind of truck is that?
I don't know. It looks like a semi, but it's weird looking.
Yeah. Kind of looks like a fire truck.
Sure am hungry. Hello. PU. Something smells awful in here.
I don't know who stirred up into that bathroom, but that bathroom's not.
Something smells bad in there?
No, they had the not a tape. The
It's closed. Look, another fire truck. What's going on with this? Are they actually coming out to do something? Or are they just hungry too?
They're trying to get some pizza like us.
Bro, I don't. You know, matter of fact, I'm gonna just get a personal pie. And just you got a pizza, a breakfast pizza, bro. What is this? Limited time offer. I'm just building my own. I don't want no pepperoni. I want some chicken and some. Oh, there's a fire? Oh, what's going on in the bathroom?
I don't know. There's like a zip tie thing. She's like, something's going on in that bathroom. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the firefighters are going in the bathroom. I don't know. Is the sink on fire?
Oh, I'm sure that everybody.
Hello.
Hi.
Cause I was on the floor. Hi, baby.
Hi.
You ready?
Yeah. What's going on? There's a fire or something?
No, there's a butt naked man in the bathroom.
Oh.
7:14. What? You butt naked laying on the floor. I can't tell no lies.
That's weird.
Yeah.
But then again, I've seen worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least somebody told on him, cause he could have been still sitting in there. Right. No, could have been the works. There you go, my love.
Thank you.
Now don't go back and watch me on your little camera.
Oh, it's not even recorded.
I'm
It's
just
not.
playing. I'm about to take a pose.
No.
Hello. Welcome in.
Bro, there's a naked person in the bathroom. What?
That us?
She told me.
I'm wondering. I'm like, so why the firefighters here? What they gonna do?
I guess drag him out. Or like cover him up. Or help him. Maybe he's in a position of. I kind of want to take a leak. I want to take a.
Me too. That's what
I wonder why. I was wondering why he came so fast. You're always in there for like at least an hour. I knew something was wrong.
Yeah, I'm taking advice. I'm getting chicken and I'm getting black olive.
Well, I just got a small pizza. I didn't even get a big one. I got the personal pizza.
You got the fun size pizza.
This would be a real cool toy for my son. But I'm afraid he's gonna just start shooting his mom with it all day. Thank you.
You guys have a good one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's me.
57.
Yeah. Want to receipt?
Yeah, that ain't it.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Put that in. That's so cute.
Yeah, because I have food in my refrigerator.
I wonder if the bathroom broken. Actually, no, she's got that lid is broken. I thought you got.
You going to the what?
I was going to the leak, but the lid is by the door. I don't think it. I think they're cleaning up that guy's mess or something.
Man, this pizza is kind of small.
Yeah, that's definitely how it works. The way I was doing it, it just melting right through.
Yeah.
Yo, low key, I do this stuff for a second, but then you set up the.
Okay. You want me to hold it? I'll probably come back later and check.
You gotta put that in there.
Oh, that was interesting. Huh? I guess there was a medical emergency inside the bathroom. It's kind of beautiful out today, but it's like
It is. It's real complicated.
look at the sky.
It's cloudy, but it's
Cloudy, but it's like that bluish, beautiful, cloudy colors. I mean, this side is nice.